Hi, I'm Gina. You might know me as Skinnytaste. Welcome to my home. So back in 2008, I was getting married and was looking for healthy recipes online, and everything seemed so processed. So I took my own recipes and started making them lighter. The recipes got really popular. 3 years later, I was able to make it full time. I love cooking with fresh ingredients that are in season, lots of vegetables and in season produce, lots of color. And one of the great things I get to do now is to share this with you guys through Home Chef. Home Chef is a meal delivery service that gets delivered to your door. They come with pre-portioned ingredients and recipe cards that are easy to follow. You get to cook your recipes yourself, so you know what's going into your food and going into your body, which is really important to me. There's never been a better time to try Home Chef because Skinnytaste recipes will be on the menu for the months of May and June. These Skinnytaste recipes are all calorie conscious. They're around 500 calories per recipe. All the Skinnytaste recipes on the Home Chef website are dietitian approved. It is so exciting to see my recipes on the Home Chef recipe cards, and I am so excited to share this with you.